Hey guys, Michael here again. We're just back out here at this property out in Bexley. We've come back the following day just to make sure the reline's all been completed properly. Come through and I'll show you exactly how this reline looks, and we'll give you an example as to what a reline looks within a pipe and how it sort of takes shape into the old existing pipe. Come through and I'll take you through. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is an old vitrified clay pipe. So it's the old terracotta pipes that are, been there for a while. They've been the pipe of choice for many years in previous years. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you an example as to what a reline looks like compared to what the old vitrified clay pipes look like. So we're going to start pulling back now. Okay. So as you can see, that's the new. Just stop there for a sec, Mick. Now, as you can see in this top corner here, right here, so you can see that the actual reline has taken shape to the old terracotta pipe very, very well here, and it's shaped a brand new pipe within this pipe. Now, this pipe comes with a 25-year guarantee on the pipe itself. It's expected to stay within the pipe for over 50 years, and I'll just show you the quality and the condition of the new reline section that we've installed here. So, can we pull back a bit, please? As you can see, it's really nice and smooth, taken shape to the pipe. It's it's pretty much shaped a brand new pipe within that line, and it's just a fantastic way of repairing a line without having to dig it up. There was two separate sections that we had to do here. As you can see, it's taken shape really, really nice and really smooth. Yeah, and it's a really, really great, fantastic transition between the clay and having a brand new pipe installed. Now that's going to give these customers peace of mind, for a very, very long time. As you can see here, it's just taken shape to the pipe in the flow of direction down. No issues. Perfect. Great.